Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to not move too much, basically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you need to do is to use the up or down buttons to scroll through the list of glances, like that. Basically, when you're on the home screen, the watch face, press up or down button to scroll through the glances. Keep scrolling until you find the heart rate option. And now you can press the GPS button to open the heart rate widget. And now I'm gonna press my finger on the sensor, wait, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically, as you can see. Let's wait for the result. And the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time, so this number will jump around. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. Okay, so let's say mine is around 60. On this widget, you can also press the down button to see your average heart rate. And also, no, that's about it. You have graph of the average heart rate or rest heart rate. So basically, when you're not moving around. Okay, you can then press back button to go back. And also you can measure your heart rate without entering the heart rate widget. You can just hover over it and press your finger on the sensor. And it should start measuring your heart rate, I believe. So let's wait. As you can see, it shows it. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to the watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.